Welcome to Change Your Life in 21 Days series, COVID-19 Cash Flow Budgeting video course. Hi, my name is Yukiko Sato. I am a zero waste expert based in New York City and founder of SnowSugar Video and TeSage Dream Solutions. I started my career as a professional wardrobe stylist. Now I help other self-employed persons who make a living doing what they love to make better decisions about their financial goals. The original idea of this video course was to share my financial story of how I plan to get out of business debt. Because of this coronavirus emergency situation, most people face a cash flow issue. I've adjusted the course to help everyone to benefit and to make a future financial plan. In a current situation, your income may be sporadic or unpredictable, but your expenses will never go away. You worried that you may not have enough cash to pay the bills when they come due. I will share a process that you can use to manage your cash flow and take control over your financial life. First, I am talking about knowing your financial situation, which is a very important step to understanding your financial data and plan for the future. Second, I will cover some methods of how to reduce your expenses and track your bills in a worksheet that helps you to stay organized. Third, I will share some tips, including my story of how to increase your income and work from home. Lastly, projecting your cash flow, you can predict if you will have more or less cash than needed and how to smooth out the peaks and valleys. Because I experienced the bubble burst economy in Japan, the dot-com bubble burst, 9/11 recession, and the Great Recession 2008, my financial stories may help you to cope with your anxiety. Most of the people are not comfortable working with numbers and spreadsheets, so I created an easy worksheet for you to fill out step by step. By the time you're done, you will see the organized financial story that makes you feel relief. No worries if you are prepared. So, please close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Then start my video course, one lesson at a time. Please believe in yourself, and your future will be brighter. Thanks for watching. See you in the lesson 1 video.